Hi, this is Kim. Welcome back. Today I'm not going to do a lesson. I just want to talk about being thankful because today is Thanksgiving here in the United States. This has been a really tough year for a lot of people. 2020 has not been fun. Health-wise, economic issues, even the elections have been really hard on a lot of people. So I just wanted to remind you to be thankful. Today I was looking online for a quote to write inside a card I was sending to a friend, and I found a few that really spoke to me and I just wanted to share them. Be thankful for everything that happens in your life. It's all an experience. Isn't that the truth? Whether it's a good experience or not a good experience, it's still an experience, and it helps you appreciate the things to come. So anyways, that was the first one I found. Be thankful for what you have. You'll end up having more. If you concentrate on what you don't have, you will never, ever have enough. That was Oprah Winfrey, and that's so true. Be happy with what you have. Be satisfied with what you have. You can always strive for more, but you need to find happiness in today and the things that you have and the things that you are and the people around you. Yeah, so that's my thought on that one. Gratitude can transform common days into Thanksgivings, turn routine jobs into joy, and change ordinary opportunities into blessings. G.K. Chesterton. You need to be grateful for people, items, and your present blessings, of which all men have some. One really means, and it's Charles Dickens. Not your worries, that sort of search for them. If you're having a rough time, be thankful. Think about all the good things that have your family, anybody. Which is true. I'm a cancer survivor, almost 26 years now, and I've really learned to just be thankful for all things, all people, all experiences, every day that I wake up and go do the things I need to do. All of those things I am thankful for. I am thankful for my family. I am thankful that I have a place to live. I have my health. I have food on the table. I have a job. There's so many things, and I don't know. I just feel so blessed. And I know that not everybody has all those things, and some people are alone. Some people haven't worked for almost a year. That's hard, and it's bills if you don't have a job, and it's more people. I wish that there was a way to reach out and touch those who really need it. I hope this video has changed your thought process for today and made you realize just how fragile life is, and be just thankful that you have what you have and be present and happy in the day. And all great blessings and a happy Thanksgiving, and I hope that you get to communicate with your families. I know we can't all be together today with our families, and reaching out and just hopefully talking to them, do a Zoom meeting, do a FaceTime, anything, just reach out. And even if there's someone that you haven't talked to in a long time and maybe you've had a falling out, reach out to that person. Tell them how much you care about them. So anyways, that's my video for today. I know it doesn't fit with the rest of my videos, but it was something I really wanted to do. So I'm thankful for you. Thanks for listening.